How to draw a toucan. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. Today we are going to be drawing a toucan, and to begin we are going to draw the beak. We will start by drawing a slightly curved line near the top left of our page. This will be for the bottom line of the beak. Then starting from the left of that line, we are going to draw a big curved line going upwards and to the right. Nice job! Then we are going to draw a curved line near the left side of the beak that's going to go right here. Then we are going to draw two upside down U shapes, one pointing a little bit to the left and the other pointing a little bit to the right, connecting to the beak going right here. This will be for some of the feathers on our toucan's head. Awesome job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a slightly curved line going downwards from where we left off. This will be the back side of our toucan's head. Then continuing downwards from that line, we are going to draw a very small curved line going the opposite direction. This will be for our toucan's neck. Then starting just to the left of where we left off, we are going to draw a long curved line. This will be for one side of our toucan's wing. Then we are going to draw a line very similar to this one, but it is going to be a little bit down and to the left. This is going to be for the left side of our toucan's wing. Also, this curved line is going to go downwards and come to a point with the other curved line that we drew. Awesome job, learn how to draw hub crew. Next we are going to begin drawing our toucan's chest. We are going to start at the first line that we drew for the bottom part of our beak right here and draw a line going downwards that has a few ruffles in it for feathers on our toucan's chest. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a long curved line going downwards, ending right next to the bottom of our toucan's wing. Nice job! Now we are going to add some more detail to our toucan's wing. We are going to draw two curved lines coming down to a point that are going to be right here and here. Awesome job! Next we are going to begin drawing our toucan's tail. For this we are going to draw a straight line going to the right from our toucan's wing right here. Then we are going to draw a line that curves at the end of the tail and goes straight to the left. Next, we are going to draw the middle part of our toucan's tail. For this, we are going to draw two curved lines right below where we finished drawing the first part of the toucan's tail. Then lastly, for the tail, we are going to draw a long straight line going out and to the right from the bottom of our toucan's wing that curves around and connects to the middle part of our toucan's tail. Looks great! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next we are going to draw our toucan's feet. For this we are going to start near the bottom part of our toucan's body and draw a straight line going out and to the left. Then we are going to draw a small curved line going to the left from that. The feet will be here in this area. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right from the end of that curved line. Then for the next part of the foot, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to the bottom of that. Then we will draw a small straight line going to the right from that curved line as well. Now we will begin drawing the other foot. Again, we are going to start near the bottom of the toucan's body and draw a straight line going out to the left with a curved line on the end of it, just like we did for the first part of the foot. Then we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right from the end of that curved line. And lastly, for the feet, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards from the bottom of that straight line, and then a line going to the right connecting back to the toucan's body. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are really coming along. Next, we are going to draw a curved line going from the top of the toucan's beak downwards that will be right here. Looks great. Now we are going to draw a small curved line that goes to the right from the bottom of that line. Then right here, we are going to draw a small curved line connecting that to the beak. Looks good so far. Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the mouth starting right here and drawing a straight line going towards the right. Then at the end of that line, we are going to draw a small curved line. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are coming along really well and we're almost finished. Next, we are going to draw our toucan's eye. For this, we are going to draw a big curved line going around and downwards, connecting to that wavy line we drew downwards from the top of our toucan's beak. Nice job! I can't wait to see our drawings all finished and colored in. Next, we are going to draw a curved line connecting from the eye going downwards to the wing. This is going to be right here. For the next step of drawing our toucan's eye, we are going to draw a curved line for the bottom outline of the eye. Then we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the right, connecting to that curved line that we drew at the beginning for our toucan's eye. Then connecting to the bottom outline of the eye, we are going to draw an upside down U shape right here. Then lastly, we are going to draw our toucan's pupil. For this, we are going to draw a small C shape, and going from the top of that C shape, we are going to draw a curved line going down and to the left, connecting to the bottom outline of the eye, and then from the bottom of that C shape, we are going to draw a straight line going down, connecting to the bottom outline of the eye. Then we will color that section in black. This is how to draw a toucan. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw a Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.